Hello viewers, welcome back. In the previous video we discussed the law of demand and we also learnt the different methods of representing the law of demand. In this video let us understand the concept of market demand. Now before we go to the concept of market demand, let us first understand what is individual demand and then we shall go to the market demand concept. Now let us assume that there is a good X that is available in the market and there is a consumer and let us call him as consumer A and he consumes good X. So how does his schedule look? His schedule looks like this. We have the price and the quantity demanded by A for different price levels. Let us say price was again 1 rupee, then it increased to 2 rupees, then it increased to 3 rupees. So what would A do? A would definitely reduce his consumption because he is a rational consumer. He believes that when the price increases, the demand has to be reduced. So what happens here is, let us say he was consuming 8 units. He reduced his consumption to 6 units, then he reduced his consumption to 4 units. So what is this now? This is the demand schedule of consumer A for good X at different price levels, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now for any good for that matter, there cannot be only one consumer, there will be a lot of consumers. For our convenience, let us say there are two more consumers. The other two consumers are consumer B and consumer C. Now let us try to bring in their demand pattern also for the same price level of 1, 2 and 3 rupees. Now how does it look? It looks like this. This is the quantity demanded by B. This will be quantity demanded by C. Now let us assume that B was consuming 12 units. He reduced his consumption to 9 units when the price increased by 1 rupee. And he further reduced his consumption to 6 units when the price reached 3 rupees. Now let's assume that the other consumer C was consuming only 4 units when price was 1 rupee. He reduced his consumption to 1 unit when price increased to 2 rupees, and when price became 3, he completely stopped the consumption of good X. So what do we understand now? This is the demand schedule of consumer A, consumer B and consumer C. Now how does the market demand concept work? Market demand is the summation of the individual demands that exist in the market. So what happens here? The last column here would represent the market demand for good X at different price levels of 1, 2 and 3. Now how does it work now? Consumer A's demand plus consumer B's demand plus the consumer C's demand is equal to the market demand. In this case it is 20 plus 4, this becomes 24. In this case it is 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, and when it is 3 rupees, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So this is the market demand for good X at different price levels. Now how can we represent this graphically? Again, the same concept holds good here. What we do is we take two axes, the x-axis and the y-axis. Let us take the price on the y-axis and let us take the market demand on the x-axis. We again get a negatively sloped curve. Let us name it as DD dash. Now please look at this. When price is 1, demand is 24. When price is 2, demand has reduced to 16. When price is 3, the demand has reduced to 10 units. So this is the concept of market demand. Hope you have liked the videos. If you have liked the videos, please click on the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.